Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am presenting International Islamic Quiz for Juniors. There are 50 questions on Arkan and Aqaid. I will read the question and you have to select the correct option. What is the percentage of obligatory charity on Muslims? What are the pillars of Islam? What is the definitive sacred text of Islam? Allah said to angels, I am going to create a dash from clay. Pillars of Islam are also called. In which language is the Holy Quran written? What is a common meat that Muslims are not allowed to eat? What is the fourth pillar of Islam? Which direction does the caller face to deliver the call to prayer? How many fard rakats have to be offered in Al-Maghrib prayer? How many rounds of tawaf to be done? What is the Arabic term for the worship of God? Which of the following is not a name of the judgment? How many times will the trumpet be blown at the end of the time? What does the word Dajjal mean in English? Which of the following is also a restriction only during Hajj? Who will return to defeat the Dajjal on the day of judgment? What is the last month of Islam? Masjid an-Nabi is located in which city? Who was the first person to deliver the call to prayer to the people? What is the Arabic name of the last day? Which festival occurs at the end of Ramadan? Prayer is the dash pillar of Islam. When do Muslims fast during Ramadan? Which month of the Hijrah calendar is Ramadan? How many times a Muslim pray in a day? What is fard prayer? Which surah must you say in every rakat? Which of the following does Islam prohibit? What is the month of fasting called? Salah is very important in Islam. What is it? What is the holy book of Islam? What is the last prayer called? At Al-Isha prayer, how many rakats have to be offered? What is the first thing you do to start Salah? How many fard rakats have to be offered Al-Fajr prayer? Muslims celebrate Eid al-Fitr in which of the following month? Muslims celebrate Eid al-Adha in which of the following month? All people are equal in Islam except on the basis of one thing. What is that? How many fard rakats are there in Isha prayer? How many rakats are there in Fajr prayer? What is the first pillar of Islam? In which month fasting is practiced by Muslims all over the world? In Islam, what is the pre-Islamic era called? As a Muslim, we do good to others. Is it good attitude or bad attitude? What we need to do before we start our class? To whom was the Holy Quran revealed? Name the surah which has no Bismillah in the beginning. Who was the first prophet of Allah? Jazakallah khair.